In today's video, we're going to be trying out reviewing the Ultimate White brand of whitening dental strips. I was able to pick up the coconut oil infused and also charcoal infused versions at my local Dollar Tree. I first decided to start with the coconut oil infused. It seemed the most normal sort of whitening strip. Followed the instructions to go ahead and brush my teeth as normal, used my Tom's anti-plaque whitening. This is the toothpaste that I am maining right now. Also flossed, and then went ahead to open up the package. The first set was a complete dud. Opened up that applicator, this strip completely pulled off but left all of the product remaining on the plastic sheet. Totally unusable. Opened up the next package. There's only 3 packets in here. You get 6 total strips in each box for $1, $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. And every single package in this box was defective. So the entire box was a dud. I went ahead and decided to switch gears and switched over to the activated charcoal. Opened up that product, crossing fingers, and it was totally fine. Completely came off the plastic sheet, went right on the teeth, no issues. Then started the 30 minutes of saliva city of just trying to push through those 30 minutes. It is gross. It does your saliva does excrete a lot once you have this product in your mouth. Once done pulling those sheets off, spitting all that product out, there is a fair bit amount left on the teeth after using the strip. So they recommend to just go ahead and brush your teeth, brush that product off your teeth, and then you're good to go. I used day 1 and my teeth were completely sensitive, very, very horribly so. I actually had to wait a week and a half before being able to even think about using day 2 application. Was really considering not continuing to use this product, but I decided to just wait until my teeth felt, normal again, and then went ahead and used day 2. Results before and after of all day 3 applications are as follows. After using this product fully, my thoughts and feelings on it is that for the results that you get from day 1 to day 3 and the sensitivity that I experienced using this product, also that first box being a completely defective dud, it's just not worth it. I would not recommend using this as a whitening product for your teeth. I would suggest maybe one of the other products at the dollar store if you're looking for something just quick, easy DIY, something cheap that does actually work, that doesn't completely harm your teeth or your gums with sensitivity. I'd recommend the Dazzling White pen or the Rembrandt whitening pen. Let me know down in the comments section if you have tried this product. How did it work for you? If you have any other products that you would recommend for me to try out, let me know down there. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.